Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Electronics Education for You. I'm Dipti Parab and today I'm going to teach you decimal to octal conversion. Watch the video till the end for both integer as well as fractional conversion. So let's begin.
Next topic in the series, digital electronics, is decimal to octal conversion. Previous video, we saw how to convert a decimal number into its binary equivalent. If you haven't seen that video, then click on the link in the description box. We have also studied all the number system in detail. The link of the video is also in the description box. Today we are going to see how to convert a decimal number into its octal equivalent. Let us start by seeing for integer numbers. The first step is to divide the number by 8 successively. 8 because 8 is the base of octal and successively means again and again. Step 2 is to write down the quotient and remainders separately. Step 3 is to repeat step 1 and 2 till we get the quotient is equal to 0. And the last step is to write down the remainders in reverse order. Please remember here that we have to write down the remainders in reverse order. Only then we will get the correct output. Let us take an For example, if we want to convert number 2980 into its octal equivalent, then we will have to divide this number by 8. Write down the quotients separately and the remainders separately. Let us perform this division. So let us perform this division separately. So 8 threes are 24. So I get the answer after subtracting 24 from 29 as 5. Next number is 58. So 8 sevens are 56. Subtract 56 from 58. The answer is 2. Last number is 20. So 8 twos are 16. So I get the final result as 4. Okay, so 2980 divided by 8, quotient is 372 and the result or the remainder is 4. Let us make a note in our So 2980 divided by 8, quotient is 372 and the remainder is 4. Now let us divide 372 by 8. Again let us perform this in rough work. So 8 fours are 32. I get the remainder as 5. Next number is 52. So 8 6 are 48. And the answer is 4. The remainder is 4. So let us make note of the quotient and remainder in our example. So 372 divided by 8, quotient is 46 and the remainder is 4. You can also solve this orally. There is no need to solve it separately in the rough work. Since I am showing to you for the first time, I have solved everything in separately. Next 46 divided by 8, I get 8 fives are 40. Remainder is 6 and last 5 is not divisible by 8, but since we want quotient as 0, so I'll write 8 zeros are 0 and I'll get the remainder as 5. Now making the note of all these remainders in reverse order, I get the answer as 5644. This is the octal equivalent of the given decimal number. This was for integer numbers. Next, let us see steps for In case of fractional numbers, the first step is to multiply the fractional part by 8. Step 2 is to record the integers and fractions separately. Step 3 is to repeat step 1 and 2. We'll be repeating step 1 and 2 till we get the fractional part as 0. But if it continues for more iterations, we can stop after solving the multiplication for 4 to 5 times or till the demand of our answer. The last step is to note the integers in forward order. Remember, we are noting down here the integers in forward order. Let us take an example. For example, if we want to convert 0.685 into its octal equivalent, then we will have to multiply 0.685 into 8. We get the answer as 5.480. Now we'll separate the fractional part and the integer part. In 5.480, the fractional part is 0.48 and the integer part is 5. Again, now we will multiply 0.48 by 8. We get the answer as 3.84. So here the fractional part is 0.84 and the integer part is 3. One more time, so 0.84 into 8 is 6.72. Fractional part is 0.72, the integer part is 6. For the last time, 0.72 into 8 is 5.76, where fractional part is 0.76 and the integer part is 5. We can repeat this one more time. We can repeat this till we get the fractional part is equal to 0, or we can repeat this till we get the requirement of our question. So we will stop here. Now we will make a note of all the integer part in forward order, that is from top to bottom. So 0.685 into octal equivalent is equal to 5365. This is a small assignment for you all. Convert these decimal numbers into their octal equivalent.